All right. I'm back again with some more results from the Tyson Invitational over there in Arizona. And a cloudy, yes, a very cloudy, and cold. Yes, well, cold for Jamaicans, but not probably for the Americans. Um, at the Tyson Invitational over there in Arizona. The 60 meters women hurdles, there were some preliminaries, but in the finals, we had two Jamaicans in it, Natasha Morrison and Tina Clayton. But neither of them were able to win that one, as it was won by Jada Baylark of the United States. She won in a time of 7.23 seconds, while Natasha Morrison came in second at 7.30. Tina Clayton coming in third position in 7.38 with Sydney Sembo. Didn't finish, neither did Antonique Strawn of the Bahamas. And so just the two Jamaicans finishing second and third. Natasha Morrison getting the better of Tina Clayton, but Jada Baylark was the winner. She's from the United States in the 60-meter women's finals, the 60-meter women's open finals over there at the Tyson Invitational in Arizona.